After an aerial drone shoot were taken 4 months ago, on-ground inspections of the location was made by Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut on 2nd of November at Dolamara. On 2nd of November around 8:30 am morning, Kangana Ranaut along with her team members accompanied by Dolamara police visited the site to shoot for her upcoming movie Emergency at Sarbura Inti village, Bogaram Tokbi village and its adjoining villages. It was informed that several Karbi houses would also be projected at the movie and tourist destinations like Kaipho Langso, Siloni also has a high chance of featuring in the movie. It is notable that last year some scenes from the Bollywood movie Anek was also shot at Rongmongwe and Dolamara regions of Karbi Anglong, and many Karbi film artists were also featured at the movie. It was reported that the shooting would take place from mid-November. To ensure the safety of all the crew members, security was covered by Gulendra Nath, officer in charge of Dolamara Police Station, and Bitupon Chutia, officer in charge of Bokakhat Police Station. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.